What we have here is the home washing machine. It runs on 110 power. We have this installed on our boat, E-2. I started getting an E-2 error, which prevents it from running. That E-2 error means that the lid is not shut. Disassembled it a little bit, but you can see that error is triggered by a switch that is activated inside of the lid. This panel has 7 screws, 8 screws, and it comes off. Obviously, we've already removed these screws. And then this metal piece right here, it activates the mechanism, which this remove this top, and then underneath you can see the water fill line, the solenoid mechanism that allows the water to flow and fill the tank, and then this yellow line right here is where that the magnetic switch was mounted. And so by removing this magnetic switch and fusing the lines in and out together here, it bypasses that switch. Now we can open the lid, add water as we need while it's running. A spindle, as you can see inside, so it's fairly safe. It's not like we're giving ourselves an extreme hazard by removing this feature. Now our washing machine will run and we can do our laundry again. On the boat.